Life's a storm. It hits, it bends, it breaks. Most folks bow, shrink, crumble when the wind howls. Not you. Standing tall no matter what isn't a gift, it's a fight, a choice, a steel rod in your backbone. When the ground shakes, you plant your feet deeper. Here's how you rise and stay up. Come what may, hold your ground. Chaos swirls, losses, doubts, loud voices, doesn't matter. Dig in. You're not a leaf blowing wherever. Your roots run deep. Decide your spot, claim it, defend it. The world moves, you don't. That's strength, unshaken, unbowed. Lift your head, low eyes see dirt. Raise them, storms rage, sure. Look past them, see the sky, the fight, the next step. Slumped shoulders lose, squared ones win. Chin up's not pride, it's power. Show the mess you're bigger. Take the weight, heavy comes. Pain, bills, broken dreams. Shoulder it, nobody's lifting it for you. Nobody should, the load's yours. Carry it high. Buckling's easy, standing's hard. Hard makes you mighty, let it press. You press back, breathe through it. Tight chest, short air, life squeezes. Inhale anyway, slow, deep, deliberate. Breath's your anchor, keeps you steady when it's wild. Panic runs, calm stands. Fill your lungs, hold your place. Outlast the gusts, cut the noise. They'll scream, quit, run, you're done. Tune it out, ears open, sure. Listen for truth, not trash. Crowd's a blur, your voice is clear. What they think bends you only if you let it. Stand above the chatter, know your steel. You're forged, cracked, maybe, but not brittle. Test it. Hard days prove what's in you. Grit, fire, bone, weak's a lie. Strong's your truth. Feel it, trust it, wield it. You're built to hold, not fold. Lose the lean, crutches tempt, easy outs, soft spots, kick them. Stand solo, relying's a slope, slippery, weak. Your legs, your spine, your will, that's enough. Balance on your own too. The rest is extra. Face the whip, blows land. Sharp, raw, real. Don't flinch, turn into them. Every lash carves you tougher. Scars are medals, not marks. Hiding's for shadows, standing's for light. Let it hit, you're still upright. Build your base, strength's no fluke. Stack it, sweat daily. Body, mind, soul. Read, lift, pray. Whatever steadies you. Shaky foundations fall, solid ones rise, brick by brick. You're a tower, unmoved, untouchable. Sing your stand, voice it, low, loud, yours. Words hold you up. Say I'm here, I'm me, I'm staying. Silence bends, sound builds. Let it rumble, let it steady you. Your song's your stance. Belt it, defy the fall. Tripping's fine, sprawling's not. Slip sure, get up fast. The ground's a teacher, not a home. Every rise proves you're taller than the drop. Falling's a moment, standing's forever. Claim the climb, see the ridge. Eyes high, not just sky. The peak, trouble's loud, victory's quiet. Spot it, your spot, your stand. Vision pulls you straight, slouching's blind. Know where you're planted, aim where you'll soar. Trust the core, guts your compass. Steady when maps tear. Feel it, right, wrong, next. Head spins, heart knows. Stand on what's solid inside you. The world shifts, your center doesn't. Own the cracks, perfect's fake. You're real, breaks show you fought, held, stood. Don't hide them, wear them. Flaws, bend you flexible, not frail. Hole's a myth, strong's the truth. Stand tall in your scars, roar at the push. Forces shove, time, fate, fear. Yell back, noise meets noise. Strength meets strength, quiet bows, loud holds. Let your growls say I'm staying. Fierce, raw, alive. They push, you plant, lose the shake. Trembling's human, stopping it's divine. Steady your hands, your step, your soul. Fear, quakes, will stands. Train it, stillness in the fury. Shaky falls, firm rises. Be the rock, crave the test. Easy's a lie, hard's your friend. Want the wind, the weight, the whip. It's your forge. Smooth roads shrink you, rough ones grow you. Stand taller in the fight, love the stretch. Build through wreck, ruins not end, it's start. Debris, falls, use it. Stack the pieces, make a pillar. Every crash is chance. Taller, stronger, yours. Broken's just loose. Standing's tight, rebuild loud. Dance the sway, rigid snaps. Flow holds, move with it. Bend, twist, stand anyway. Life's a rhythm, find yours. Stiff loses, lose wins. Swaying's not weak, it's wise. Keep your feet, keep your height. Hold the line, distractions pull. Soft, sweet, small, no. One focus, one stand, one now. Straying sinking, lock in. Your moment's here, your strength's here. Drifts a thief, stance is king. Rest to rise, tired hits. Fine, sit, breathe, reload. Not retreat, standing drains. Recharging builds, sleep's no surrender. It's steel, fresh legs lift higher. Hold longer, rest, then stand again. Sing your height, voice your tower. Rough, real, rising. Tell the storm, the dark, the doubt. I'm up, words root you deep. Firm true, your sound's your spine. Let it echo, defend your post. They'll test it, shove, scoff, sway you. Guard it, your stand's yours. None touch it, push back. Quiet, fierce, sure. Loyalties to your height, not their pull. Rise past the break. Dawn cracks, slow, sure, yours. Outlast it all. Rain, night, ruin. Standing's not surviving, it's thriving. Light's your crown, wear it. You're up when it fades. Standing tall, no matter what's no pose. It's war, every gust, every crack, every shove. You're still here, feet down, head high, soul wide. Life bends, you don't. The mess comes, you stay. That's your win, your truth, your stand. Rise and hold, always.